Ka Sorkar India kalabu ya ka Thong banrat Dyngkhong ya ka Jingpang balaju tip menshwa haka ketien khasi kum ka Jingpang bampong Tubercolosis lani TB ka baki breu kiteng hadu kata banjo ya ka menta ya kani ka Jingpang lala ban penkot par na kamet ubreu leng baki dawai dashin baken sai baki start san dawai kila penmi yo ka kendon ka bakong santam ba unong pang udai ban le kalong ban bud thik pa thik ya ka jing betha ajung ki doktor bar ban di testai ki dawai klam da sange wat tang shi sen di lada le kumta unong pang tang hapo khendet benai ula job ya ka Jingpang bat yo biang ya ka jingkot jingkhia ha ka met ka phat I Dr. M. Mauri, State TB Officer, haka jinga kendo ikinong thok khubor menta kasngi ula batai shai ki program baka Sorkar jela kathmu ban pentre kam haki di kisnam ban wan ka Sorkar India kalabu eka Thong banrat Dyngkhong eka TB nakari hapo kisnem 8,000 khatnyo hadu 8,000 arpausan ka jela Meghalaya kala lumjing khenna baro ki district ka jingdon jukinong pang TB hausnam 8,000 arpawei kalong 1,000 shispa prapo khandai ngon katba hakilai banai ban Dyngkhong usnam 8,000 arpuar kinong pang TB kila kenjo shaka 1,000 nyo pausan ngon Uram Kumar S IAS MD National Health Mission Meghalaya ulabatai hakinong thok khubor baka Sorkar jela kan zebetha yaki asha ki bala treshitom bandrat yaka khishori malaria bat yaka khlam COVID-19 ban treshitom kumju hakabaya de bandrat yaka Jingpang TB naga jela ula kuntui kilat pathai khubor ban snok tilang baka Sorkar ban penlong ka Meghalaya ka jela ka bakhuit basuba naka Jingpang TB
tip ke Jingpang TB ke de ke bala slamba ndrei hadu menta ngidang du ki min sim breu nang ba ke Jingpang tina ta kadau ngikwa kadau hi ka kolong ba desi ki breu ki pat tip ha spang ke Jingpang ina ngikwa ban ai ke jingka khubor si pai ba lang ba jong pi kenang ba ki breu ban empower ki breu da kan knowledge pang ke Jingpang no breu da ki breu ki so thu nei kamot long kam dan jing e kan ki no haba ki la so thu ba kum nu yo e ke Jingpang ka e ke Jingpang manu ba penlong ke Jingpang enle kum no la da ki e gidak kishin ke Jingpang bat enle kum no la da don kita kidak kishin si e ban dei nang nu ban yo dawai lada kila aktif ya kata kamot anlong ka e ka ba ka jingrap ka bakraw ha ka ba lesi ngilumla ban du e ka men sim ko dor ilang ba ka Jingpang.
We have given that facility to all the private doctors to notify easily on mobile app rather than writing a form, sending the form and etc. We have given that mobile app so they can notify. In fact, we have launched it. The number of our TB cases notified has suddenly increased in the last 6 weeks. Before this we launched in the last 4-5 weeks, it's suddenly increased. So that has helped us importantly. And everyone, my appeal to the pharmacists and etc. also, we are getting constant reports from pharmacists on the drugs they sell to the TB drugs they sell. Please do not sell any TB drugs without prescription or without proper government doctors or any doctor's prescription. Otherwise, TB over the counter will not be in our circle and will not be able to track them and see whether they are curing and they are taking the full course of medicine. So that's why it's very important. My appeal to the pharmacists and others, please do not do this, and also the public also do not go for this. If you have symptoms like cough, fever and loss of weight, loss of appetite and etc., please see the doctor immediately.